like 10:46 at the night for me. Doing this at night, yes. I'm also editing as well, so I'm going to finish this sequence hopefully as fast as I can. Alright. Now, since okay, let's say theoretically the amount of people on Earth is equal to infinity. So now, if we were forced to start sending people, we're forced or we're gullible enough, like the entire people on Earth, all oops, wrong font. Let's go with this one. All humans are gullible, theoretically. All humans are theoretically gullible. So, we can calculate how much people this message, spam message, can reach in, let's say, 4 days. So, n is equal to 4 days. So, since this is a constant, it's a constant rising, multiplying term. So, we start at 1 since let's say I am the first receiver of this message, and I, at this moment, is too gullible to discern it from a joke, a lie. Now, so A1 is equal to 1. Now, since n is equal to 4, let's find how many people this reaches. So the amount of people I have to send this to is equal to 15. And all humans are gullible. They're all theoretically gullible. Now, so the common solution for this, so it's an is equal to 1 times 15 to the power of 4 minus 1. Let's remove that. 4 minus 1. Now, this is our solution for finding the amount of people this reaches in 4 days. Now, let's solve. So, let's see. Okay. We start with the first part. So, we subtract 4 to 1. Exponent 4, so it's equal to 3. Now, I actually don't know the cube root of 15. Let me just pull up my calculator real quick. So, the cube root of 15 is equal to 3,375. Okay, so we can just cancel out this 1 because we're going to multiply by 1, then it doesn't really matter, does it? So it's equal to 3,375. Now, so A4, the amount of people this reaches, is equal to this. So day 4 is equal to 375. Now, let's get to a way harder question. So, how many people can this reach in 2 weeks? Yes, 2 weeks. So this is, well, in total, how many people can reach this in 2 weeks in total? So this is n14 because 2 weeks is equal to 14 days. Now, this is going to be very long, so stay with me, please. Really, stay with me. I don't really like this either. It's really long. Alright, now. S14, since we're using the geometric sequence for math, it's going to be... So the formula for this is equal to S14 Wow, this is a really big number. Okay, back to the point. So S14 is equal to A1, uh, close parentheses, 15 raised to the power of 14 minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Okay, so R is 15 anyway, so it's like this. Yay! Hooray! Okay. Yep, that's correct. Okay. So S14 is equal to A1. So A1 is equal to 1. So we cancel it out. Doesn't really matter. Now do that. So it's 14. Now it's it's 15 over 13. How concerning is going to be an abnormally long big number. I won't like it. I won't like it as well, fellas. Okay. So now S14 is unfortunately equal to... Oh, wait. So, oops. Completely forgot. So, it's not minus 1, so this is still 14, which is also still bad. Now, bear with me, fellas. So, 15 is the power of 14. It's 1. Now, this is what we're supposed to solve for. It's a very, very abnormally big number. Now, for the moment of truth, let's see how long this will be. I'm gonna need this. Okay. 15 raised to the power of 14. Oh boy. I can't even read this. This is in Avogadros. Oh boy. This is in Avogadros. Well, let's just say it's a very, 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 very big number that I can't really put in. Oh, wait, yeah, I can pull up calculator. Now, this will make it so much easier. So, 15 raised to the power of 14. Boom. The entire number is there. Now we copy this, and I type it in. It's actually pretty small when you think about it, but still, the number's pretty big. The text is just really small. Now, minus 1 divided by 14. Yeah, now it's just... Ooh, wow, it's as if it barely made a scratch. Now, we remove the parentheses, because we don't really need those anymore, and I'll just magically replace the 5 with a 4. Now we divide, and shockingly, this will still be a whole number, which I'm honestly surprised about. Now, S14 is equal to, let's see, 616, so 108,000. Millions, billions, trillions, quadrillions. So this is 2 quadrillion estimate. This estimate to be 2 quadrillion. Well, this is if the population on Earth is equal to infinity. Now, this is 2 quadrillion people on Earth have received this message. This is how much people would have received this. I feel so bad for the people, the poor people that have received this message. Or maybe they could like resend it to each other. That would be a better way of saying it, but I've already went this far. Now, so A4, which is the amount of people that it reached by the 4th day. So it's 3,375. Yeah, it's this amazing. It's a small number. And then for the total amount of people it reached for 2 weeks, which is 14 days. So that's a lot. It's a lot. It's just a lot of people. Yay! Now this is the evil Carmen Winstead has terrorized the earth. Alright, that's the end. That's the end of drawing Lucas. Bye, Ark.